I've taken it out of the microwave and I microwaved it for about 4 minutes. In here. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit because it is hot. Just come right on down, get the skin. Okay, now I'm going to cut it in cubes, not very small cubes, but a little bit bigger than cubes. And I'm going to put them on my baking sheet that I have a little parchment paper on. It's sliced very easily when you stick it a little bit in the microwave, or you can stick it in the oven if you don't want to use the microwave. That squash, you know, this is the season for butternut squash and all of the squash, you know, zucchini, summer squash. This is good. Please subscribe. Trying to get up to 100 subscribers. On Thursdays, I will be posting another segment of Dad's Cafe. Got an arsenal of seasonings that I'm going to use, starting off with a little bit of salt. Pinch of cayenne pepper. Garlic powder. Following up with some turmeric. And last but not least, a tad bit of cinnamon. And then we will drizzle. You can use olive oil. I'm using the Smart Balance. Just a little bit, very gingerly. But I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 400 and roast it or bake it for about 25 minutes. While it's baking, I'm going to start cutting up my next ingredient, which are these cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to cut them in half. So I've rinsed them and I'm just handing them. So good. Woo, it just smells like home. You can smell the cinnamon even. I have my cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna turn them over and just let them get all of that, you know, the vegetable oil, and make sure they get that cinnamon and all the other seasonings. And now I'm gonna add the sliced cherry tomatoes to my butternut squash. Tomatoes, you don't have to use these many, but I like tomatoes. The color is wonderful. It pops. Pop this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Well, I got it out the oven, and now I'm going to transfer it to this decorative plate. Okay, I'm just going to transfer it now to this decorative plate. This is a quick side dish. You can use it as an appetizer. You can use it as a mini meal, and I would recommend this with my spoon cornbread, and I'll have the link for that, and my creamy banana shake. Now that's something worth coming home to. So I will have both that creamy banana shake and the southern spoon cornbread. It's not just cornbread, it's that spoon cornbread. Not to mention nutritious. You've got the butternut squash with that powerful vitamin A and fiber, and you have the vitamin C in the tomato. Now that's good living. I'm going to add, this is non-dairy feta cheese. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. Not too much, just a little bit. Also gonna sprinkle some grated, plant-based Parmesan cheese. Both recipes that can accompany this side dish of butternut squash, and that is my Southern style cornbread and also my creamsicle banana shake. Growing up, I like creamsicles, and so I just turned it into a banana shake, and it's really good. Those two things can accompany this, plus a million other things. Check out my website. Please subscribe. No, I'm not going to eat the whole thing, but I'm going to taste it. I'm Daz. I'm out, but I'll see you next show.